Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 3rd of January. I'm James Spann. As advertised, that major East Coast storm developing nicely with big snows for some of our friends to the east and south of here. But Alabama just cold through Friday. But next week, not as cold. The next chance of rain seems to be on Monday. Let's dive in and take a look. There's the water vapor satellite view across the continental United States. Trough is sharpening up in the east. We'll roll the animation of this, and all the players on the field are coming together for a very deep surface low that is rapidly deepening off the East Coast, producing some pretty wild weather for our friends in places like Savannah and Charleston this afternoon. In fact, there's a depiction coming off the HER model showing heavy snow falling around Savannah and Charleston. On the immediate coast, a mix of freezing rain and snow, and that mess will be rolling right up the eastern seaboard tonight. But around here, things are quiet, and look at that, like a tropical heat wave. Birmingham at 40. Even up in the Tennessee Valley, they are above freezing for the first time since Saturday evening. But a new surge of cold air nosing down into the upper Midwest behind that deep low in the Atlantic, and we'll feel that tomorrow. Temperatures drop about 5 to 10 degrees. We'll check the watch warning map. Alabama and Mississippi, Louisiana, those are hard freeze warnings for tonight. And up and down the eastern seaboard, winter storm warnings all the way from Savannah up to the coast of Maine. Blizzard warnings in effect for parts of Massachusetts and the northeastern part of Maine. There's a blizzard warning for the Tidewater area, including Virginia Beach for tonight. Wow. But thunderstorms, no, not for the eastern half of the country, obviously, in cold air. Maybe some thunder for the west coast tonight. And the rain for the next 7 days. Pretty good rains again for the west coast and in Alabama. Rain amounts about 1 inch for the north, slightly lower down to the south, and that will be Monday. And that should be all in the form of rain. So let's check it out, model fans. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow. Troughing over the east, a very deep surface low. East of Long Island. But again here, it's going to be a sunny day, but windy and cold with a high in the low to mid-30s. But boy, check out that big deep low that's east of Long Island, 963 millibars, 1 o'clock Eastern time tomorrow, coming off the GFS, and that's going to set up a blizzard for parts of Long Island, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, maybe Connecticut, and up into Maine. And we'll be thankful we're not dealing with that. That's going to be a huge mess. This is Friday. For us, we start the day down in the teens. In fact, the NAM has us down to 11 Friday morning. The high will be in the mid-30s. The sky will be sunny. This is Saturday. Again, we start the day in the teens, but the high should be close to 40 as we start to warm up a little bit. A sunny day, and this is Sunday. We're dry, and a chance we see, I'd say 47 to 50, maybe some folks touching 50 with the wind veering into the south. And then rain moves in here Monday with that next wave. And again, all thermal fields support just rain only. No issues with ice or snow here. Tuesday, the rain is gone. And really, there's no cold air behind that. Good chance we'll see highs in the 50s. And this is Wednesday, troughing over the northeast. And for us, a dry air mass. The high around 50, if this is right, with lows in the 30s. Next week, clearly not as cold as this week. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, January 13th. Heights are coming up, and that looks maybe like a risk of a shower, but nothing especially widespread. Maybe some icing north of here, nothing too heavy. And again, the numbers, you can see how next week will be different. Now the GFS ensemble depicting highs mostly in the 50s and lows mostly in the 30s, and that is where we should be for early January in Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.